One of the variables of supply that students seem to have a little bit of trouble with is cost of inputs. So imagine, if you would, a plywood plant. So we've got all around South Georgia we have some plywood plants and other kinds of plants that produce building products. A plywood plant's really easy to think about. Just imagine you have the plant here and it produces plywood, and we think of plywood as being the output. The inputs are the materials and the labor and everything else that goes into making the plywood. So we have logs, labor, and plywood is really just sheets of wood glued together. So we've got glue. So these are the inputs. And when the cost of inputs goes up, that means it's more expensive to produce the plywood. And so what happens then is the plant, whomever it is, maybe it's Langboard, that's a local one, they've got this plant with the equipment and machinery, and they've got customers who are buying various kinds of building products. And so if the cost of one of the inputs of plywood goes up, let's say the glue, then they're going to think of some other product that they can produce using all of their other resources, but without using the glue. So that's what happens when the cost of inputs goes up. Then you see a decrease in the supply of that product.